guys, so today I'm giving you all a tutorial that you didn't need but you might be interested in. Today we're going to do my nails. I saw Michelle from Glitz and Glitter do hers, but I am severely allergic to the UV nails. I did them for since 2020, and then I developed a really bad allergic reaction to any HEMA products. I couldn't wear nails, couldn't do anything, couldn't even have acrylics on, because in the monomer there is HEMA. But this stuff from Nao Nails is HEMA free. It's fantastic. Look, it even says HEMA free. Oh, where are we? There we are. HEMA free. And this stuff, oh my goodness, it's life changing. So basically I'm going to be doing a hack that I saw on TikTok to do with acrylic nails and full cover tips. It's genius. I can't remember the girl's name, but I saw her videos on TikTok and I got this from her. This is not my idea. I did not come up with this. This is literally all her. So I wish I could remember her name so that I could chat her, but she's incredible. So firstly, we're going to take our brush. This is just a sable acrylic nail brush, which I think that means it's horsehair. Who knows? So firstly, I have prepped my nails by using the Nao Nails gel residue wipe off solution, buffing them and filing them so that they're nice and dry, so that this has got something to grab onto. So we're going to take our brush. I'm not a professional. I just needed to find a cheaper way to do my nails, and this is it. Because press on nails. So we're going to take our brush, create a small little bead, probably too big, it's definitely too big, and then we're going to pop it on. We're going to dab. All the nail techs out there are going to be dying watching me, but like I said, I'm not a professional, and you can either do this or don't do this. I'm just showing you what I do. And then you squish it down. You basically use the acrylic as a glue, and then you clean up round, and you make sure again that you are pushed down, and when the acrylic grabs, it grabs. I had a severe allergic reaction. My fingertips were blistering. I was getting these tiny little bumps all over, and I've been doing UV nails for years and years and years. Well, since 2020, so nearly 6 years I'd been doing UV nails, and then one day, that was it. I got this horrific allergic reaction. I'm not a professional, and you do not have to do this, but this is just what I do. I'm not advising you to do this. I know this is far too much product on the nail. I know all the proper nail techs are going to be dying watching me, if they do, obviously watch me. Just using it for glue, not using it for it to look pretty or anything. So this is not my idea. I got this from someone on TikTok, and I could not thank her enough. Just because when I don't have nails on, I catch them on everything and I can't open things. It's better to get that stuff off before it dries. And because I've got such a high sensitivity, I couldn't even use certain nail varnishes. And when you do get an allergy to HEMA, you can be allergic to bandages that they use in hospital, certain medications. It's really serious. And the fact that they sell these things so easily and readily, it's like anyone can develop an allergy to HEMA, and it can be quick. Like I said, I had blisters. It was terrible. And it can cause anaphylaxis, so it's really not a joke. So I'm just shaping it onto my nail. And this stuff, the Nao Nails, is the only stuff that I've used that has not given me a severe allergic reaction. Because I was thinking, oh, I can never wear nails again. And that, obviously, you're a girl who wears nails, it's a bit of a bummer. As you can see, if I can do it, then anybody can do it. And you can take that all the way up to the tip if you want, because it does give the nail some strength. I just feel better when I've got my nails done. That's too small of a bead. And because I have been doing resin, I am more confident with my fine motor skills. It's just easier. I wouldn't have been able to do this in 2020, but because I've been doing resin and being busy with my hands, it's easier. Stuck to my fingers. Right, so there's one hand all done. Then I usually wait till they're all done. See, now I've got to switch. Oh, you forgot. This is basically isopropyl alcohol with ethyl acetate. Got to do this hand, so I just use my towel for a few seconds. Finger. Try not to do it on the same bit because you'll transfer the oil from one finger to another. Because I did try to use, where's the other bit gone? Isopropyl alcohol. It didn't work, funnily enough. They just popped off. So now they're all dehydrated. It's gel residue wipe-off solution, but it works as a dehydrator. So you go into your max adhesion acrylic liquid. Because I'm right-handed, I've got to use my wrong hand. Goodness me. Just make sure it's straight, because you're not getting these off afterwards. Pick the excess off. Well, on TikTok, I wish I could remember her username. She did it a lot nicer than me. I'm just doing it raggedy. But if it works, fabulous idea. For those who can't do UV nails and can't do normal acrylic, and they can't do normal acrylic themselves, or it's just fabulous. Every single time. You want to get that stuff off before it dries rock solid. As you can see, I'm not doing it perfectly. It really doesn't matter. As long as you get your nails straight, everything else can be fixed after. So far, this has taken me 20 minutes, which you can spend that just messing about. Molly, close the door, please, sweetie. Good boy. Are you going to say, hi guys, like and subscribe? And subscribe. Say thanks for watching and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Who's next? Yeah.
Get your lemonade.
Got your lemonade. It's upstairs, isn't it?
Lemonade upstairs.
Yeah. Your lemonade is upstairs. Is it in your bedroom? The
Big bottle.
Yeah.
Big bottle of lemonade.
If you go and get it, Mummy will put it into a
Smaller bottle for you.
Yes. You're going to go and get your bottle? Your big bottle of lemonade?
A big bottle of lemonade.
Yep. See, if you get the bead size just right, you actually won't need to clean up around the cuticles, because you will have already prepared for that. There we go. Right, so now it's done. Then all you need to do is just use your favourite nail polish. This is mine. It's very old, as you can see. I think it was Colour Therapy Sally Hansen Argan Oil formula in 370 Unwind. So now I usually just do this bit by eye. That's why I wasn't too fussed about the ends getting some stuff on them.
This is just muscles.
Whoa, look at you. Super buff. I'm filming. Honestly. Marley, can you close the door for me, darling, please? Thank you very much. So, be careful. I try and keep them about the same length. When your hands are all shaky, it's a bit tricky, but not impossible. Just have to take a bit longer lining them up. Is that funny? That's fine. Perfect. Now I just go underneath the nail, because these can get really sharp otherwise. Marley, come on, out you go, please. Put my sock down. Put my sock back. Thank you. Go on, Marley, off you go. Thank you. Bearing in mind I have not got my glasses on. This could be going horrifically wrong, but it looks good from where I am, so it's one done. Now for the tricky bit, because I'm right-handed, I try and do it in one swoop. It is my wrong hand, so ultimately you can do whatever style, colour, whatever you like, but you don't have to pay salon prices. Hello, Molly. Now we let them dry. That's when you know your nail varnish or nail polish is very old, that it squeaks. And then I've just got this super gel top coat, no light needed. And we wait, which I'm not very good at. Marley, say and subscribe. Thank you.
Do you want some water?
Yeah, there's water in that bag just there, darling.
This is
The
bag.
bag. Look down. That's it. Bottles of water. And then when you've finished and your layers are dry, then you've got to go wash your hands. Want me to open it for you? Oh no. Water is very good for you. So yes, it's freezing today. I've literally had my heater on whilst in the kitchen because I have the window open 24/7. Oh, come on. This one's dry. These ones are still a bit tacky. Molly, come on, darling. Good boy. I was careful with this one. I've lost my other red. I had a new red. I think it's called Black Cherry. So beautiful. I'm terrible at waiting. Oh, while I wait, I can show you the little hedgehog that I poured yesterday. It's a little matte mould. But how cute is that? And then I just painted him with, I can't remember what, paint pens. I just thought it was, oh, she is so cute. Sweetest little thing. And I did make a mould. Oh, stuck to the table. With this cute little glass duck. I made a mould, but I kept getting bubbles in the bill. This time I did get a bubble too, but it's the first time the little duckling has come out complete. Every other time he's been billless. It's so cute. And then this was the mushroom that I poured yesterday, but then I remembered, aren't they supposed to be red with white spots? Or are they supposed to be, I don't think they're supposed to be white with red spots, are they? I think they're supposed to be red with white spots. And it just looks rubbish anyway. The white pen that I used is patchy and horrid. I could do another coat, but then I just thought, what's the point? It can just stay an ugly paperweight for now. There we go. Again, not being too precious. As long as it's on smooth. If you were going to add any, I don't know, chameleon flakes, let's say, now would be the perfect time. While it's still tacky. Oh, it's dried. I'm not going to do that because I can't be bothered. And then these bits that are just round the cuticle and on the skin and stuff, you can just file them afterwards. Being careful to not touch your nail that you just painted though. That a few times. These ones are alright. It's the other hand. So now you know my secret. I have not been popping down to the nail salon. Oh no. If you ever do that, just lick your finger and smooth it back over. I know it's a bit gross, but my mum taught me that. Should really have put my glasses on for this, shouldn't I? Well, I would if I knew where they were, to be honest. There we are. All done. What do you think? Much better than before. My darlings, I will let you go and I will catch you in the next one.